to my channel. Tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your auntie, tell your uncle. Subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to learn colors with English and Spanish.
Hi Brae'sWorld. So today we're going to be doing a color experiment, and it's going to be super fun, easy, and messy. So this experiment, all you need is 3 ingredients. You will need baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. To make it easier on Braylon when doing the experiment, we put vinegar in a plastic water bottle so that way it's easy to pour in the cups. These cups that I have here, I had just paper cups laying around the house, and I cut them up. And this is what we're going to be using for the experiment. So, first step is we're going to fill up each of the cups with baking soda. They should be full about...
You have to do a little bit in each cup.
Yeah. So we're gonna...
I want to pour every single baking soda in one cup.
Yeah.
Wait,
so
do we have to?
Boy, if you don't...
So we're going to fill up the cup 3/4 cup full. And then we'll be right back. And Braylon's going to be my helper. You ready?
It's gonna make my table messy for my desk.
All right, Bray, good job. Thank you for filling up the cups. And now we're gonna do the fun part and put food coloring.
I'm gonna do blue first. Go off in order to yellow.
Braylon has his first color, yellow, and he's gonna put a few drops of food coloring inside the baking soda, and then we're gonna mix it up. Do it all over, everywhere. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay, perfect. Good job, Bray. Okay, Bray, what is our next color?
Purple.
Okay, let's fill it up with the color purple. Same thing. We're gonna go ahead and put lots of drops.
Next color is pink. Next color is green. Almost done. 2 more. Next color is red. Last one is blue.
Okay, so we're all done with our colors. We have yellow, purple, pink, green, red, and blue. Okay, next step, we are going to pour the vinegar in the cup. All right, so let's start off with yellow.
I'm gonna stop because I do it fast. Oh!
Whoa! What color was that?
Yellow. That's cool.
Okay, next color. Gotta keep pouring.
Oh, what? That's a big one. What? It's not even touch it. A big bubble.
What color is that?
Purple. Can I touch it? Oh.
Okay, next color.
That's a big one. It's red.
Next color. Good, pour a lot. Whoa.
That is a cannon.
Green. Pour more. That one looks kind of orangey, huh?
All right.
Pour more in that one. It didn't come out.
I see some over here.
Whoa.
Oh, it's purple.
Okay, last
I'm
one.
gonna put all this baking soda in here.
Okay. Not all of it. Whoa. Oh no, Brae, that's enough. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
That's
Oh my.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
This is like blue water. I should have did it in the yellow.
We're going to learn our colors in Spanish. First one.
Amarillo, morado, rosita, verde.
That one
Rojo.
used to be red, so that one is.
Rojo,
And the last one.
azul. I hope you guys liked my video. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned, fam, for more lit videos. Bye. It's still bubbling and blue.